You've been struggling to know what synthetics is all about and how you can get into it. Well, this section we're about to dive into is for you. So today I'll be talking about how you can make money making like thousands of dollars trading synthetic pairs. So let's get into it, shall we? First of all, I want to ask, are you a beginner or intermediate trader who keeps getting it wrong several times whenever you hit the buy or sell trade of your favorite synthetic pairs, or you don't know how synthetic trading works? Well, this section is for you. This training or topic we're about to dive into is for you, and you need to stay glued to your chair and then follow me through, because I'm about to walk you through how it works and how we go about trading synthetic pairs and why we love trading synthetic pairs. So first of all, I want to ask, does this sound familiar to you? The consistent blowing of synthetic live trading accounts, you do not have an effective or successful trading strategy when it comes to synthetics trading. Having struggles with growing small accounts or large account, or you keep on blowing accounts severally. You do not know how to calculate your pips risk management, how the pairs behave, how to accomplish high pips targets, and how to get high probability setup when trading synthetic pairs. So many of you have problems when it comes to trading generally. How you can get high probability setup, how you can swing trade, day trade, or even scalp properly to avoid losses, right? If this is you and it sounds familiar with you, do not go away from this place. Do not leave this screen. Do not even swipe. Stay with me. So hi guys, my name is Adeline. I'm a professional trader. I specialize in both the forex and synthetic trading markets. I also day trade and swing trade both financial trading markets. I'm a founder of INDICES Academy. We have trained over 200 students using my simple trading strategy, which has moved them from beginners to advanced level professional traders who are also 100% profitable. Yes, when I mean profitable, they are profitable. The win rate is always very high and the losing rate is always very low, because I teach them how to manage their risk, how to trade with patience, their psychology, and all of that. We always have meetings together so they get better at it. And that is my priority. So here are some of my students' results. You can see one of them told me, I use your pattern to increase a $500 to 8K, and he did this in a month. Yeah, he did this in a month. It was not a day trade like many people make you believe online, that you can do this overnight. But trust me, trading is not something you do overnight. It takes time, it takes journey, it takes months. Some people are fast learners and it can take them like 2 months to get better. Some people take them like 4 months, 6 months, a year, 2 months. But strategically, some people take them a year to get better. But when it comes to synthetic trading, if you keep on studying, it won't take your time to learn, because it's very easy. You can see another of my students said, hello coach Adi, good afternoon, hope you are good. I want to use the opportunity to thank you for the FX knowledge. I learned so many times, so many things, and good profit implementing what you teach me since I got to the academy. And thank you, my friend. Thank God my friend introduced me to your academy. I taught him how to trade synthetics, and you can always see they come back with giving me good feedbacks. Now let's dive into what synthetics is all about. Now, synthetics are distinct benchmarks that replicate the volatility and liquidity risk observed in the real-world financial markets. Now, these indices can be traded around the clock every day of the year and rely on cryptographical secure random numbers and random generators that undergo third-party audit to ensure fairness. So it's just telling you that this market is a market that is opened Sunday to Saturday and Saturday to Sunday. So you can trade Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You can trade any day. You can sleep, wake up, and you can trade. There are several pairs you can trade every day, and it's open. It's not like the forex market. Do you understand? Now, the difference between forex trading and synthetic trading. Now, forex trading deals with, we have commodities as the indices. We also have the currency pairs and co. Forex trading focuses on the currency pairs. It focuses on the daily activities that happen in the real life world, like your naira to your dollar, the dollar to the pounds. But synthetic pairs are just individual pairs. They are not moved by any physical world markets. They are just an imitation of the forex trading market. So you see candlesticks in the forex trading chart, it's the same thing in your synthetics. There's candlesticks in synthetics, it's the same way, but the only difference is that in the forex trading market is what we call liquidity, right? Leftover money, we call it leftover money in forex. But in synthetics, there's nothing like liquidity and nothing like leftover money in synthetics. Do you get? It just moves straight away. Now in foreign trading markets, we have manipulators. We have the news, the current economical data that goes on in the current economy. We have the whales, we have banks, other people who manipulate the market, trading firms and co that manipulate the market. So sometimes you will wake up and you don't see the candle, news will just come and you'll be like, one long candle and co. But in synthetics, there's nothing like that. Now, the only thing about synthetics is that they have pairs that cause spikes, but everything works according to the trend. The same way in forex, anyways. Forex also follows the trend and all of that. So forex trading is a little bit complicated. That's why when beginners start trading forex, they pull out because there's so many manipulations that beat their psychology. The forex trading market will beat your psychology blue black, and then it affects your esteem, your self-esteem. But when it comes to synthetic trading, it does not affect your self-esteem because there is no manipulator. So as you learn, you practice, you implement, it's easier for you to get your strategy right and get things right when it comes to trading synthetics. It's very easy to scale up than the forex trading market because you get a lot of psychological beatings. But when you are good at your strategy, you understand everything you need to know through synthetics. That's why I always advise beginners to learn synthetic trading first before they move into the forex trading market. So even if they learn forex trading market, they have an idea of what it's all about and they can literally move through, right? So these are the difference between these two markets. Forex trading market is always open Mondays to Fridays. Synthetics always open Sundays to Saturdays. 24 hours markets. Who doesn't love it? Peace of mind. I can wake up any day and trade. That's it. So the benefit of trading synthetics is that it gives you the flexibility to trade anytime you want. There is no London, there is no New York section, there is no Asian, there's no nothing like section. No, there is nothing like that, like the forex trading market. So you can wake up anytime to trade when you see your setups, right? It allows you to trade properly, understand what it means by your analysis, your strategies. It allows you to play around with strategies very well. It allows you to trade according to the way you see, because if you follow the trend very well when it comes to synthetics, you will never lose money. Your losing rate will be very low and your winning rate will be very high. And synthetics is a pair that follows trend properly. It follows each trend, and you follow the trend the pair is giving you. It's very easy. It allows you to make money at any time, and the sweetest part about it is that the broker that offers this is derived. So you can deposit in cryptocurrency and cash out in cryptocurrency. The current rates in the country called Nigeria, in Nigeria the rates currently crypto rates right now to the naira is a bit high, so it's a bit beneficial. You can literally just deposit if you have crypto. Also, if you want to deposit in naira, you can buy crypto and fund it. The sweetest pair also to crypto pair to deposit is Litecoin. Just convert your USDT to Litecoin. They won't charge you that much. You make good money from it. Now these are the tools that I use to trade. There's what we call the MT5 software, the MT5 mobile app, Derived Trading View. Trading capital is very compulsory. Some people will say, how much do I need to start? If you are good at what you do, you can start with a minimum of $50. But if you are just starting, you don't have so much, I would advise to start with a minimum of 15. But highest, do what I will always tell people, if you are good at strategy and you really want to make good money, you don't want to be blowing account left and right, you don't want to be so dependent, you can start with 30, 50 and then scale up. Some people might not have that much and they have like $15, they can still scale up. It's not bad. I won't advise you for a beginner to deposit as low as $5 because you want to scale up. You want to be like what we are seeing online. People you see doing that, they are very good at strategy trading synthetics. Also, I have my risk management tools and there's also what we call C-Trader. You can use C-Trader as well if you want. For more data and you can use all of that. This allows me to analyze properly. These tools allow me to analyze properly, to day trade and also swing trade on my peers. Because I love swing trading, I love day trading very well. It allows me to see high probability setups very well and allows me to trade properly. Allows me to trade properly. And the next thing we'll be talking about right now is synthetic pairs. So there are so many synthetic pairs when it comes to trading on Derive. Now Derive offers both currency pairs, it offers both the currency, it offers both the stock indices, commodities, crypto and the rest. And that's it's a broker, right? Derive is a broker. It offers all of that, but they also offer a significant type of pairs, which are the synthetics. We have the velocity 10 in 1 second index, velocity 10 index, velocity 15, velocity 25, velocity 10, 25 index, and velocity 30, 50, 100, 50, 100, 90, 150, 250, bear market, crash and boom. We have the one crash. We have the DEX and Derive. Some other pairs I did not show here. Those pairs are also, the only thing about crash and boom is that crash and boom occurs with spikes. They are almost like gold and mercury or silver, what people trade, and they move with spikes, but they always obey the trend. So any spike you see on boom and crash on your chart is accordance to the higher time frame trend. So these crashes that occur based off the trend on the higher time frames. So higher time frames are very, very important, because if you follow your higher time frames, you will easily get it right and not get it wrong when it comes to trading. So understanding the right strategy to use. So there are lots of strategies in the market, but one thing I always tell people is that not every strategy you learn from forex trading can literally work when it comes to synthetics. The wonderful strategy that I teach my students is purely price action strategy. People might call it top-down analysis, super technical analysis, but I teach them purely price action, or they call it top-down analysis. I teach them how to scalp properly. From scalping, I teach them how to day trade and how to swing trade. I teach them these things because it's very important when it comes to synthetics. It allows you to move flexible. They are very, very flexible when it comes to trading. I teach them how to manage their trades, how to manage their accounts, and not just enter. Because so many people teach you that you can flip with synthetics. So you flip 100 positions and you blow up your account. Why do I blow my account? This is hard. There's manipulation in synthetics. There's no manipulations, baby. There is no manipulations at all. I'm telling you with fact, from experience. I've been doing this for the past more than 3 years now. I've been doing this, and I can literally tell you with confidence, I'm beating my chest right now, telling you that there is no manipulation in synthetics. So anybody telling you there's manipulation in synthetics, it doesn't work, it doesn't do that, they are lying to you. Shut that noise. You should be trading, like you should be trading these particular pairs because they're easy to move and they're flexible. So why should you get into synthetic trading? Because it's easy. It's easy. The only issue you only have is understanding how these pairs move, because they have the way they move, they have the way they interact, they have the way they calculate they calculate their pips movements and all of that. One pip in synthetic is $1. So you need to understand all of this. They have the way they move, right? They have the way they navigate and all of that. So you need to understand how all these pairs work. Is so important. Like, it's really so important, and it's so easy. There's nothing that you can. Monday to Saturday, like Sunday to Saturday, market is open, and the only time the market will shut down is around 12 a.m. in the night, 11 a.m. because it wants to reboot. So during that time frame, it's a little bit shut down a bit, and then to come back home again the next day, opening a new candle for the next day. So like, it is sweet because you don't have to worry. You don't have to say, oh, by Monday to Friday I want to, because forex market will tell you Monday, Friday they close, right? But synthetics, you can check your chart any day, anytime. You can, it's flexible. You can swing trade, you can position trade, you can day trade, you can scalp on it, just like forex trading as well. So it's very easy setup, very easy pair markets, or I call it market anyways. And it's something that you can scale up. They have low spread type of pairs, they have high spread type of pairs, and they have pairs that are very, very high for large accounts, like people have 10K accounts or something like that. So when you see people posting certain things, don't just say, what is this? These people are lying, it's demo. Let me tell you, people have grown a $15 account to a 500, to a 1,000. Yes, they day traded, they swing traded using that amount. They even scalped using that amount, and they got it on that 1 month. They all they had to do is target 1,000 pips for the month. There are people who have grown a $5 account to about 200 in a month. I'm not talking about a day, because I know that a day will take time. And it's not every day you see setups. Some days you see, some days market will just be going and not give you opportunity, but that doesn't mean. So I'm just telling you this so that you don't be like overnight, I can make this in a day, I can make that in a day with this amount if I want to swing or day trade. I'm just telling you that if you want to take it slow and steady, it will take you time. But if you want to be fast and you're a flipper, you can carry a $5 overnight if you get a high probability setup and flip it to 200 overnight. They have how to do. All you have to just calculate your risk management. So synthetic gives you that opportunity, that space. And the broker derive is very fun. It gives you, it's flexible. That's why you should be a synthetic trader. Like, it's easy, like very easy, and it allows you to get your strategy right to, like, before you can move into the forex trading market. So if you're having issues for forex trading markets, you can run your strategy with synthetics, make good money, gain your confidence, gain your psychology, beat it into forex trading markets. That's like the fun about it. So you can see what my student had to say. She was like, honestly, I don't know where I've been killing myself on forex, and I'm not sure I want to get back there again. No, and she was laughing because when I taught her how to trade synthetics, I taught her how to trade power 200 or Quaco and all of that, and she got better at it and she kept on practicing, and she started making good amount of money. She came back to say this to me. She was like, why am I wasting my time trading forex? I'm like, well, she does both now. She does forex and synthetics. Here's another student. Thank you so much. I now know how to calculate pips on synthetic pairs so easily without stress. After that wonderful session with you, can see that this is just it. Like, it's fun because it allows you to express yourself very well with no manipulations, nothing triggering you, nothing making you feel down, nothing making you feel this way or that way or this way. Just straightforward to the point. All you have to just do is mastery, consistent practicing, consistent studying, and you are there. Here's another student result of mine. All these are live results, they are not demo. They are live results and they are not demo. So most people will be like, oh, it's demo, I don't, even if you check my accounts, I rarely post my personal trades because it feels like I'm deceiving people. I don't do that because I want people to see my student results. I want people to see my impact in my student more than my own trades. Because I noticed that many people love to move with the luxury and they see this on social media, and that is not me. I don't want anybody coming into my space with hope of being a billionaire overnight with trading. I want to come into my space because they want to learn and they want to also navigate their issues and get it right. That is me. So I focus on my student, I focus on all of them, making sure they understand it. I follow everybody one after the other. Weekly meetings, I give them live recordings of every sections we have. They get live recordings of every sections we have. They get everything. So I make sure that they study, because synthesis is fun, like really, really fun. So I have a bonus offer for you if you are still here and if you waited to the end, because I said earlier you have to be here, right? So if you waited to the end, I have a bonus offer for you. I have several bonus offers for you anyways. And the first one is I created a trading guide on synthetics that will teach you the necessary things you need to know about it. And that is it here. It says how to trade synthetics using my simple strategies. I literally exposed the setups I use to trade. I exposed it there. I exposed the tool I use to trade synthetics, like my risk management tools. I exposed how I analyze the pairs. I exposed how to go about it. Everything you need to understand about synthetics is literally in this trading guide. And guess what, guys, there is currently a discount on it, because normally I should have put it at the normal price, but I said, why should I make it so high, and I gave it out to a little discount.